happens, Dr. Reynolds, is I become so completely aroused and wet that I can't control myself. And when I climax, it feels as though I'm urinating at the same time.
Ricochet up the satellite, ricochet up the traffic light, bulletin up the satellite, driving through the city at night, 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 at night, at night, at night, at night.
She's a small mobile, intelligent too. Got what it takes and she knows how to use it. Planets and places don't mean nothing to her. Muggles and miners are waiting to use her. David Harry's right, so be honestly. Don't you see her crying? She tried to be with me. I love your confusion, leaves me fantasy. I love your confessions, making up with me. Never happy.
There's not always a whole lot of it, and if a man's penis is inside of me, he usually can't tell at all. But is it okay if I just use plain language to say this?
This summer day, matching mood I was feeling, but then again, the windows needed cleaning. I thought I might find some wiggly tomorrow, but I thought, what the hell? They're probably gonna blow up my building anyway. I had an empty feeling and I wondered am I hungry. This would be the first time for a week I'd eaten all I've had for a week is coffee. All I want, baby, inside and needed pain on the outside. Oh, it's a glad it was a true thing. With no bad members and no need to take revenge.
Well, let's take it off.
Okay.
It looks like it's giving you more problems
Yeah.
than it is anything else. Okay.